the crypto market is going crazy. It's crashing and it's also pumping literally in the same day. Look at this. So cryptocurrencies, like I showed you in my video last night, which I highly recommend you watch. I have some very important things in that video. But what we see is that cryptocurrencies were being compressed in this very tight symmetrical pattern. So we were trading sideways. And when things are trading sideways, it shows you that there is almost no direction, that things are neutral, and that the market is not strong either way. And what we saw is we saw cryptos being squeezed in this pattern. And we know that whenever we get to the edge of a pattern or the corner of a triangle, we do always get a breakout. And we started to get a pretty severe breakout to the downside last night. And that literally about 3 in the morning, we started to bounce up slowly. And then we started to move very fast this afternoon. We literally have moved in the crypto market. If you would have bought this dip, about 6.5%. The whole crypto market has moved about 6.5%. We have other cryptocurrencies like Luna that are going parabolic, which we even did a buy alert today, which is making profits right now. Look at this thing. Luna is up literally from last night to now, up 18%. That is just absolutely crazy. Now, if you love these quick, short, get to the point crypto videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please consider doing so. It really helps to support the channel. And let me know in the comments below, did you take advantage of any of these dips that we saw this past weekend? We're seeing the market is very volatile. It's just going up and down really fast. It's just very strange to see what's happening in the market. We're going to be diving into that, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on. And if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade alerts, join the Patreon, at least tier 3, where you can even speak to me on the phone, where you can go over your current portfolio and you can get access to all of my day trades as a crypto day trader. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the video, as we are just going to take a look at the whole crypto market cap. We are seeing cryptos mixed, some red, some green, and yes, you are seeing cryptos up like 2% or 3% or just very low numbers. And the reason for that is because they crashed hard yesterday and they're recovering. And from the recovery, we are seeing significant gains. So if you would have bought the dip or any of the crashes last night or this morning, you would have made significant profits. It's very interesting because we're going to show you what actually happened. So let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we obviously know it moves the whole market. So Bitcoin on the longer term time frames of 4 hour, if we zoom out, we can see Bitcoin is bullish, right? And Bitcoin had an opportunity to bounce right here to continue this bullish trend, but we ended up breaking down. So we ended up having a fake out. It seems like the whales are trying to manipulate the heck out of the people in the crypto market, crashing cryptos and then pumping cryptos literally in the same hour. It's just absolutely crazy to see how much volume is coming in, bullish and bearish. But what was certainly concerning is that whenever you are in a downtrend, like the whole crypto market, at least in the shorter time frame in the last couple of weeks, is in a downtrend. We have been in a downtrend. We are headed down, and we finally started to try to bounce up, like we're going to maybe recover. But whenever you start trading sideways inside of a downtrend, it's usually the continuation of that trend which would occur. So this symmetrical triangle pattern is actually historically a bearish pattern, especially when it's inside of a bearish trend. But what we are actually seeing and what can happen is that these symmetrical triangles can actually be bullish if we do break out to the upside, which we are actually doing right now. So we're finally breaking out of this pattern to the upside. So we had a fake out, a fake breakout, which means we broke out to the downside, which means if we would have continued, we would have saw a significant correction much lower, but we ended up bouncing back inside of the pattern and outside of the pattern to the top side, which shows that we are now experiencing a bullish breakout, which is a very bullish thing. So most likely we are going to get a bullish breakout, and we're breaking out right now as we look on the charts right now. If you look on your phones, you look in your portfolios, we are seeing some green today. We are getting a bullish breakout. Hopefully, what is very likely and what I think is going to be happening is, since we have broken out in a bullish way, we're going to continue this bullish trend, and that this symmetrical triangle is actually going to be the reversal of this bearish trend, pushing us upwards. And this applies for almost every single cryptocurrency in your portfolio. That's why looking at the Bitcoin chart is just extremely important, because it's going to let us know where cryptos are headed. But here is the question, Miles, why are cryptos crashing? Why are they going up so fast? Why Why are they going down? What the heck is happening? Well, what we are seeing is, of course, people have to pay their taxes today. That's causing a little bit of FUD. That's causing a little bit of fear in the market, which whales, of course, tried to use to manipulate the market. But we're also seeing there are crypto security concerns. There's a whole bunch of just little pieces of news that are causing these small volatile movements in the market. So nothing crazy is happening right now. We are, of course, as I have said already and reiterated several times, we are potentially getting a bullish breakout. We have a 4-hour candle outside of this, but we need some more time. We need some more movement outside of this pattern to confirm whether this breakout is going to hold and to be true, and that's going to be a reversal. So this could actually be likely, ladies and gentlemen, that this is the reversal of this bearish trend and that we could be heading up, seeing significant gains here very, very soon. And we will know that if we can continue with some more time and break these resistance levels, which I have spoken about in my previous videos, which I should highly recommend you to watch. But the previous resistance level, which we have to now face, is 41,500 for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin can literally just go up about 2%, if we can go up about 2 more percent, break this and continue to go up, we're going to be seeing some very good and bullish price action for quite some time. In my opinion, that'll be very good. And then we have, of course, some other resistance levels that we do have to face, and if we break those, we're just going to keep going up and up and up until we get to a resistance level that we cannot break. Maybe we keep going up until there are no resistance levels, where we break the all-time high and are in price discovery mode. That would be excellent, and that would be good for every single cryptocurrency that is in your portfolio. Now let me know in the comments below the crypto that you hold the most in your portfolio. I'm very anxious to hear what crypto you are holding the most in your portfolio. Now, if you want to learn technical analysis like this, learn how to trade cryptocurrencies, learn investment strategies, when to buy, when to sell, go ahead and join my course. It is 66% off. Join the Patreon where you can get these trade alerts, these constant timely updates into the market. And if you want to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account with my link in my video description below. All you have to do is open up an account, fund it. They will give you $100 in free Bitcoin. Highly recommend using that, checking that link out, and following all of my socials so you can stay up to date with my life and some more great crypto information. Now, if you've gotten at least one thing out of this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Share this video with a friend or family member, and I will see you all later. Have a great night.